Do you want to know how you can disable notifications in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable the notifications of Wombo Dream. Go ahead and locate Wombo Dream, which is on your phone, tap on it and click on its settings. Now you can see the notifications. Tap on notifications and it is allowed right now. Now to disable it, tap on this button and you can see that all of the notifications has been disabled. You can even select the silent or allowed sound and vibration, and you can select the notifications type like lock screen, badge and pop-up. So you can select what type of notification you want, or else if you want to close all of the notifications and disable it, just click on this button and all of the notifications of Wombo Dream will be disabled. I hope this video about how you can disable notifications in Wombo Dream was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.